Hey everyone, Gil at Camppatton Family Compound here. Got an update here on the indoor garden experiment and what's been going on. So let me see if I can turn this around a little bit here and show you what's going on. So with the Grandero tomatoes, getting ready to harvest some more on there, but as you can see I got looks like 5 of them that that will probably use another day or two, but that one's ready to go. The one back there, yeah, so we've got 4 of them I can probably do this evening or tomorrow morning, and that one there in another day or two. And then I got a bunch more green ones up here and down there. And hopefully when I start picking these, it'll start blossoming out again. But yeah. Anyways, so where the spoon tomato was, I replaced it, and now we got the sweet sun, whatever, orange cherry tomato growing up there. This is the green salad bowl lettuce growing there. And so things should be coming along pretty good here. Now over here, I left the seed in the office there. I was on a live stream with Courtney at White Family Farm, and I took the packet in there. I forgot to bring it back of the orange hat tomatoes, and I got them a couple of those in chitting. So these are the little finger 2.5 to 3 inch carrots growing in there, and see how it's doing there. Now this is, I harvested all the other lettuces. They started to bolt. So this is less than 36 hours since I put the seed in the ground. This again is Grand Rapids lettuce there. And then that's the second one. Those are the only 2 Grand Rapids lettuce I am planting this time. So this other one here, when the seeds germinate for the orange hat, the plant only gets to be 9-10 inches tall, and it loads up with cherry tomatoes, small cherry tomatoes. And so I'm going to plant it in this one here, and that should be ready to be planted in 7 to 10 days. So that's what's going on right now. Go ahead and turn this off. There we go. And yeah, I'm just loaded up with all sorts of cool seeds and stuff from mainly from Joe at Garden State Gardener. But yeah, so got more tomatoes coming up, and then I got some other ones here that I may, if all 3 of the orange hat tomatoes germinate, I may go ahead and plant 2 more over here. I'll just switch around tubs and stuff, and I'll do 2 more of them over here, just for the grandkids. All right. So that's what's going on here. Still experimenting, learning what works, what's not going to work. And once I get the shop insulated, all this indoor garden stuff is going to go out into the shop and out of the front room. So, which will make the wife happier. Of course, then once she moves up here, she may decide to bring some of this back in here. I don't know. Anyways, so that's what's going on. And so what I'm going to do before I take off, I'm going to put a link to get my hand up here. There we go. To my other channel, Gray Man Prepping Up over here, and I'll put a couple of links to the different videos or playlists over there. All right. Take care, and I'll see you around.